Jungle.
Hola amigos, I am Sid and today we are going to talk about which SUV Mahindra is going to launch first, XUV 700 or XUV 500. Now the XUV 500 was a great hit from the Mahindra in Indian automobile industry. It was launched in 2011 and it totally changed the game in Indian automotive industry. Now XUV 700 will be the all new 7-seater SUV and XUV 500 will be the all new 5-seater SUV. As the XUV 500 has spent till 10 years of span, it needs a replacement in this Indian automotive industry. So what are the differences between XUV 700 and XUV 500? XUV 700 will get the higher engines such as a 190 horsepower engine and 190 horsepower engine. It will also get the 210 horsepower engine, but after the facelift of that XUV 700. These are the reports. And it will also get the features such as electronic parking brake, auto hold, ADAS level 1 cruise control. These are the leaked images of the interior of the new XUV 500 which I have got through the social media. You can see all the interior in this car. A new fresh infotainment console, middle console, gear knobs and many more things. Terrain response management is also there. Also see the many other controls for AC, such as for AC, electronic parking brake is also given. Terrain response management is there. New cubby holes are also there. New gear knob and many more controls which we will get in this car after when it will launch. Just have a quick look. See, from here you can see clearly what are the controls. This is what we got through social media. I hope you can see clearly. This is, see, now you can see more clearly what are these controls. These are all are the controls for the AC, hazard lamp. You also get the differential lock control, which means it can be also available for four-wheel drive option, if I'm not wrong. Then two USB ports are there. You might also get the wireless charging point, hazard lamp. Traction control on off is also there and many more things. Differential lock button. You can also get the new front fascia, a new dual split screen setup for infotainment and for instrument cluster, new steering mounted controls, new steering wheel, dual tone color dashboard. So these are the things that we expect from the Mahindra, and as it shows it shows clearly through their test car. Many more controls on the steering wheels for cruise control and many more things. On this side, cruise control, the auto start stop, hill listen control, traction on off buttons are also there. It means this car will get most of the new features, modern features, to compete the rivals, and that's a good sign to have it. I hope these all will get in the production model as well. It can also get the start stop button. It has now auto start stop, which many of the car offers nowadays. Window controls are also there. A new fresh look of all these buttons. All the controls for the power windows, for front and for rear as well, with ORVM controls in a gloss black finish. This is how it looks overall. This is the new engine that I have spoke earlier. Now XUV 500 will be the shorter version of the shorter version of the XUV700 or longer version of the XUV300. First of all, XUV300 is present in the compact SUV segment in India, and XUV300 shares a platform with the SsangYong Tivoli. And now SsangYong has also showcased the Tivoli as a greater long wheelbase version of the Tivoli in international market. Now that Mahindra already has one new car which they have to make some cosmetic changes and to make it enter in the Indian automotive industry. So these are the cases. Now which cases will be the great or the effective, that is making the shorter version or making the longer version. Now according to me, making the longer version of the XUV300 will be very effective, because they don't need to make some more changes in XUV300. They have just to extend it and give the more horsepower engine as well. Now it has a more torque engine than the rivals. It has its diesel engine produces about 300 Newton meter of torque, which is a great than competing with the rivals. Now the XUV700, making the short version of the XUV700 leads to the disadvantage, such as they have to remove the biggest engines, they have to reduce some of the features, they have to reduce most many things for to make it more cost effective than XUV700, because XUV700 will be placed after the XUV500, such as XUV300, XUV500 and XUV700. XUV500 will fill the gap between the XUV700 and XUV300. These are the reports of the automobile journalist or on the social media which I have collected. I have mentioned before that the spy shots are that which I have collected from social media. So interior images I have displayed before the video, in middle of the video, and these are now exterior images. So it will get the new front fascia, new LED headlamp cluster, new alloy wheel design, new RVM design, on new chassis, everything. Just have a look, it is all in camouflage. This is the testing car, and these are the videos, these are the photos from which I have got from Maraslin. So as now you can see that this car gets all new wipers, new windshield setup, new headlamp cluster as well, new grille. It gets LED DRLs, LED projector as well. It may get halogen projector headlamps for lower variants and LED for higher variants. These are my assumption, or you can say prediction, but not sure about it what they will do. So let's hope. Now you can see clearly what is present in the headlamp cluster. These are the digital renders made by some of the people and shared on Instagram and on many more websites. They have just imagined. Now here you can see how it looks at the side. The new alloy wheel design as well. Now these are the interiors that I have spoke before at the middle of the video. You can see it. Now these are the pictures that I have got from Carvali. That's what we have. So this is overall look of the car, which has been in camouflaged. This is how it looks on the side. A big bulky SUV from the Mahindra. Thank you.